The objective of the case cleaning position is to sand and inspect wooden products. The equipment used includes an adjustable light, a sanding table on wheels, a work table with additional tools, a work table with shelves and a variety of sandpaper, and a wastebasket. The tools used include 2 orbital sanders, an air gun, a chisel, a putty knife, a hammer, a drill, and a wood block. The materials used include various products: sandpaper, acetone, glue, and casters. Personal protective equipment includes safety glasses. The work environment is an indoor work environment with heat and no air conditioning. The height of the worker observed was 5 feet 7 inches. The work tasks for the case cleaning position begin by first getting the product and throughout the process inspecting it for scratches, dips, splits, cracks in joints, and tear-outs. The case cleaner gets the orbital sander and sands the product, replacing the sandpaper as needed. The worker also adds putty if needed, spreading it to desired areas. Using the air gun, the case cleaner will also blow off dust and use sandpaper by hand to sand the product over a wood block. For chairs, the case cleaner will get the drill and drill holes on the bottom of each leg. Next, they will get the hammer and casters and then pound a caster into the drilled hole on the bottom of each leg. Finally, the worker will lift and carry the product to position it for the next operation. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the case cleaning position. Repeated and sustained exertions included a high pace with hands in rapid steady motion or exertion to sand various products. Sustained exertions included continuous standing, neck flexion, or forward bending to view work, and continuously holding the sander. Forceful exertions were required to carry, lift, and position the parts to and from the work table, to sand parts by using both the powered sander and by hand, to drill holes, and to use the hammer to position casters. Awkward postures were present in the form of torso-lateral bending or sideways bending, neck flexion or forward bending, forearm pronation and supination, elevated and extended arms, wrist extension or backwards bending, and wrist flexion or forward bending to sand parts. Elevated and extended arms to blow dust off of chairs using the air gun, elevated arms to drill holes in the chair legs, elevated arms, forearm pronation, and wrist deviation or sideways bending to pound casters into chair legs using the hammer. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was between the hands and the edges of the parts and tools. The recommendations for the case cleaning position include: consider using an adjustable height workstation that the user can easily vary to decrease posture stress. Investigate using a part stand that rotates and tilts to decrease posture stress. Consider using sit-stand chairs while working to decrease sustained exertions. Finally, investigate lift assist devices to transfer product to decrease forceful exertions and awkward postures.